Hello, Professor. My name is Mohammed Jaman. Uh, Student ID 300954917. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and configure Samba in Linux and how to access from Windows. So to do this, we'll install Samba on Linux, then sudo yum install Samba command Samba client. So it's asking for password. So it will now install Samba. So since it's already installed, so before doing that, I will just copy my samba.conf file and create a backup so that I can use it later. To do this, sudo copy etc slash samba slash smb.conf. I'm copying it to same etc slash samba slash smb dot smb dot con dot bak 0. So I created a backup. Before proceeding further, I will modify my smb.conf file. So to do that, sudo beam slash etc slash samba slash smb.conf. smb sudo conf. So I have done some modification, like work group equal is my computer's work group, it's personal, and then map to guest equal bad user, then host allows, like this IP address will only allow it, and then it's browsable, yes, writable is set to yes, guest okay set to yes, and create mask 0644, directory mark 0755. So I have made this modification, and now we'll go back. So now we'll start Samba. To do this, sudo systemctl start smb nmb. So we just started this thing, and now we will check if it is active and running. To do this, sudo systemctl status smb nmb. Okay, so it's saying smb service is active and running, and then nmb service is also active and running. So now we will make some firewall service permanent, and to do this we will write sudo firewall pen cmd space permanent at service equal Samba. So it's success, it's enabled, and then we'll do it for leopard, like Samba equal libirt iBirt. Oops. Sudo firewall cmd command at service. Okay, at service, then John equal limit. Okay, now it says it's enabled and success. So we will reload the firewall to this sudo systemctl reload firewall d. So we reload the firewall. Now we will create a folder. We'll create a folder outside the home directory. So sudo mkdir -p. So we'll go for srv/samba/public. So we have created a folder. Now we'll give permission for that folder. To do this, sudo chmod 0777 -r/srv/samba/public. So we have give the permission that folder. Now we'll add user, and the system will, okay, so sudo id u share user and dv/nu null, then pipe sudo add user system share user. This command will check if there is any user added. If not, then it will create the user. Okay, and then we will give the ownership to the share user. Sudo chwn r share user the folder name is samba.public. Okay, so we made a mistake here. CHOWN. Okay, so we have given the ownership. Now we'll make changes in the AC Linux. To do that, we'll type sudo chon -t Samba underscore share underscore t minus r, then the folder name srb is Samba slash public. Okay. uh, Before we go there, we will get to file in the public, like nano samba.txt. Hello, this is from Linux. So you can see that this file is here, samba.txt, and then we'll restart the Samba service. Su sudo systemctl restart smb and nmb. So we restarted it. Now we'll go to the local host by nautilus command, nautilus smb colon slash localhost slash public. So we are on the localhost on the our public directory, and we create a file samba.txt is here. So this is the Linux system, and now we will go to the command prompt of the Windows system. Open the cmd command. Now I will log in my Windows system using my IP address SSH, my username at Linux, my IP address 192.168.2.11 NSP, and then my port number. My port number is 8822. So it's asking for the Linux password. So now I'm logged in my local host, and now I can see the Linux. I can use Linux command to see the Linux content, like ls. See, these are my Linux content, and we'll go to our public folder. So cd srb, oops, cd slash srb samba slash public. So we are in the public folder, and you can see the content. See, this is the file that we created in the Linux and samba.txt. So this is how Samba synchronized to operating system. Now from the Windows, I can use the Linux command to see the Linux content. So this is how it works. So thank you very much, Professor. uh, have a good day. Take care. Bye.